Hello everyone, my name is On and welcome to my channel Home Cooking by On สวัสดีค่ะชื่อออนนะคะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่อง Home Cooking by On ค่ะ Today I'm going to show you how to make Tom Kha Gai or chicken in coconut soup. This dish is not very hard to make. If you follow my instruction carefully and slowly, you can make this dish easily. Okay, let's go and have a look at all ingredients that we need. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's look at all the ingredients first. First one, we need chicken. You can use chicken breast and also chicken thighs if you like. Next, we need the water, 500 ml, and coconut cream, 400 ml. Next, all the herbs you need. Firstly, galangal. So you slice them like this. Galangal is the main herb in this dish. Also, we need lemongrass, fresh chili, fried chili, some tomatoes, red onion, and today I'm gonna add some carrot for the color, and mushroom. You can also use other mushroom that you like. Now, other ingredients: salt, lime juice or lemon juice, tamarind juice, palm sugar, and lastly, fish sauce. This will make your Tom Kha Gai taste better. Lastly, you're gonna sprinkle with all these herbs. What we have here are kirfir lime leaves, mint, and coriander. So let's get cooking. Okay, let's get started. Add some water. Then add some galangal slices like this. Lemongrass, red onion, and chilies. And we'll wait until it boils. When the water is boiling, we're gonna add some chicken meat. And we're not gonna stir it just yet because if you stir it right away, it will make it taste fishy from the chicken. So we will wait until it starts to boil again and then we can stir the chicken around. Now the soup is starting to boil again. Now we can stir through the soup. So the chicken will cook through. Now we can add the coconut cream. We now can add the carrot because it's quite hard to cook. Just about 1 minute after, we're gonna add some tomatoes and the mushroom. After we added the coconut cream and the soup is starting to boil, we're gonna add some flavoring. So lemon juice in, tamarind juice, next some salt, palm sugar, and fish sauce. So at this stage, the chicken is already cooked, so you will lower your stove, so it's not too much boiling going on. The soup is smell very nice and it looks tasty. So you're gonna wait until that palm sugar melted. I couldn't find it. Oh, here. If you don't use palm sugar, you can also use the brown sugar as well. Sometimes you can't find the ingredients. You will have to use substitute ingredients. Like for example, if you can't find the galangal, you can also use the ginger instead. I think it's time to have a taste. Very nice. Like the coconut cream and the fish sauce and the tamarind juice. It's so very nice. Now lastly, we're gonna sprinkle and we're gonna finish it up. So kirfir lime leaf, we're gonna do this. So put these away. We don't need them because they're so hard. You can't eat them anyway. So we're gonna do this. Break them apart like this and throw the stem away. If you like Thai cooking, you can also visit my channel, Home Cooking by On, for some other good ingredients and recipes. Next, mint. And some coriander. And that's it. We turn off the stove and it's ready to eat. So that's all for today, And if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss my amazing recipes in my channel. So, see you next time. Bye.